Next question is question number 15. The question is, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coin. The total number of coin is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? So previous question and this question, they are little bit similar. Now if you observe the question carefully, there are total rupees are 300 and 3 types of coin. One is 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. Till here we got this information. The number of 2 coin is 3 times the number of 5 coins. This is very important. That's why we'll consider rupees 5 coin is X. So see here. So total number of money is rupees 300. That is in the first statement. Let the number of rupees 5 coin X. So the number of rupees 2 coin is 3x. Why? Because this sentence is this. Rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupees 5. So 5 is X. So rupees 2 is 3x. So till here we got. And so we got the number of rupees 5 coin X. The number of rupees 2 coin is 3x. Next is the number of rupees 1 coin. Now 1 coin statement is nothing related to rupees 1. So how we have to find out? 160 is a total coins. So from 160 we will subtract number of 5 coins, number of 2 coins. So how to do that? So 160 minus X. X is number of 5 coins and 3x is the number of 2 coins. So we'll add these 2 coins from 160, then what we will get? Rupees 1 coin. So that's why 160 minus x plus 3x, the x plus 3x is 4x. So 160 minus 4x is the rupees 1 coin. Now all together how it is? 5 into x means 5 rupees x coin, then 2 into 3x. So 2 rupees 3x coins plus 1 into 1 rupees 160 minus this statement 160 minus 4x that coins. If we'll solve this is equal to 300 will come. So this 5 into x is 5x, 2 into 3x is 6x and 1 into this bracket is as it is equal to 300. Okay, so now 5x plus 6x is 11x minus this 4x I have written here, this 160 here is equal to 300 as it is. Okay, 160 and 300 as it is. Now 11x minus 4x is 7x, 160 again as it is, this is also again as it is. Now 7x here as it is. 160 is positive in LHS, it will shift in RHS, so 160 minus, so 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, 7x is equal to 140, subtraction of this. So x is equal to 7 is multiply here, from LHS to RHS it will be divide, so 7x is multiply, so x is equal to 140 upon 7, it will be divide, so x is equal to 20, because 7 ones are, 7 twos are 40, so it will be x is equal to 20. So what x? X is a rupees 5 coin. So rupees 5 coin is x we consider, that is 20. Rupees 2 coin is 3x according to that statement. So 3 into 20, that is the value of x. So 3 into 20 will be 60. And rupees 1 coin was 160 minus 4x. This is very important. Is equal to 160 minus 4 into 20. The value of x put there. So 4 into 20 is 80, 160 minus 80 is 80. So therefore, rupees 5 coins are 20, rupees 5 coins are 20, rupees 2 coins are 60 and rupees 1 coins are 80. Next question is question number 16 from exercise 2.2. The question is, the organization of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 and a participant who does not win get a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed rupees 3000. Find the number of winner if the total number of participants is 63. So from this question, what things are given? Number one, we got the total number of participants are 63. Total rupees money distributed, that is 3000, and when a participant is winning, so he is getting 100 rupees, and he does not win, that time it is a 25 rupees. So according to this, we will write the equation. So total sum of money is 3000. Let the number of winner is rupees 100 be x. So that we will consider there are x number of participants who are winner and they are getting 100 rupees, and those who are not win, that is 63 minus x, means if winners are x, so total are 63, that's why 63 minus x. I hope you clear with this. Now, so 100 into x, 100 rupees for winner, so 100 into x winner, so that's why 100 into x, plus 25 into how many of you not win, that is 63 minus x. So 25 into 63 minus x is equal to 3000 is the total money which they distributed. So 100 into x is 100x, 25 into 63 is 1575, minus, because this into this is 25x, is equal to 3000 as it is, 3000 as it is. Now 100x minus 25x is 75x. Okay, and this plus value will be subtracted there. So therefore 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575. So 75x is equal to the subtraction of this 1425, 1425. 75 is multiply here, it will be divided on this side. If you do this calculation, x is equal to 90. Therefore the number of winner is 90, because we consider x as a number of winner. So we got the answer, the number of winner is 90. Okay. Now the next exercise, that is exercise number 2.4. The first question from the question exercise 2.1 is, Amina think of a number and subtracted 5 upon 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of, and what is that number? So first we will consider she thought a number, that is x. Okay, now according to this statement, 5 upon 2 subtracted from that number, so x minus 5 upon 2 till here. Next is, and she multiply from it, and she multiply the result by 8. So this is that result into it, is equal to. The next statement is, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. She thought x, that is a 3 times. So is equal to 3x. I hope you clear with the equation. Now 8 into x, 8x, 8 into 5 upon 2. So 8 5s are 40, 40 upon 2, 3x as it is. I multiply 8 into x, 8x here, 8 into 5, 40 upon 2 here. Now 8x as it is, 40 upon 2 is 20, 20 is minus 3x is as it is here. This minus 20 will be plus there, and positive 3x will be in RHS to LHS minus. So therefore 8x minus 3x is 5x, 20 as it is, 5 is multiply here, it will be divided on this side. So 20 upon 5 divided, you will get 4. So x is equal to 4. So Amina think the number, it was 4. Okay. So now the second question from exercise 2.4. The second question is, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Okay, now see step by step. Let the another number be x. So we are considering another number is x. Then so the positive number is 5 times that number. So therefore the positive number is 5x. So first till here statement is clear, that another number we consider x, then the positive number will be 5 times of that x, so 5x. Next, if we added 21 in both the numbers. So 5x plus 21 and x plus 21. But here the sentence is the new number becomes twice the other new number. That's why 2 in bracket. Okay. Adding 21 in both and twice is there. That's why 2 times of this number. Now solve this, you will get the answer. 5x as it is, 21 as it is. This LHS as it is, 5x plus 21. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 21 is 42. Now we'll collect the like terms. 5x as it is. This is a positive 2x in RHS. It will be negative here. So 5x minus 2x in LHS is equal to 42 as it is in RHS. So positive will be there, negative minus 21. So 42 minus 21. 5x minus 2x is 3x is equal to 21. Subtraction of this. This 3 is multiply here. It will be divided on this side. So x is equal to 21 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. X is equal to 7. What x we consider? The another number. So hence the another number is x, that is 7, and the positive number is 5x. We consider here that positive number is 5x. So yes, here only. So 5x, 5 into, put the value of x, that is 5 into 7, because the value of x is 7. So 5 into 7, 5 sevens are 35. So therefore the another number is 7 and the positive number is 35. Okay.